Is your car covered in dried up, crusty bug guts that just won't come off? In this video, I'll show you how to remove bugs from a car quickly and easily without damaging paint. Plus, I will provide you with multiple pro tips along the way, including what bug scrubber works best for stubborn spots. Today, I'm using 3D Bug Remover. This pro-grade cleaner works fast, is easy to use, and it is available in bulk. We'll simply follow the directions on the bottle as you see here. However, I will give you bonus pro tips and share other products I use along the way to make this process faster, safer, and easier for you. Before applying the bug remover, rinse the car, at least the areas with bug guts. Rinsing the entire vehicle is ideal as it does cool the surface and it clears loose dirt that could interfere with the cleaning. Alright, so I'm a big fan of these 16-ounce bug remover spray bottles. The trigger feels solid and built to last. I almost forgot, before you start, give the bottle a good shake to mix the solution. Then, spray the cleaner on generously from the bottom up, making sure to fully cover the bug-covered areas. Allow it to dwell for up to a minute. This gives the enzymes time to break down and soften the bug splatter, making it easier to either spray or wipe it away. But don't let the product dry on the surface. And in just a moment, I'll show you a pro tip to keep the product from drying without wasting more product. So hang tight and I'll show you that here soon. Did you know that bug guts are naturally acidic? If you wait too long to remove them, they can actually start etching into your clear coat and cause permanent damage, which this can ruin the appearance of your new car in just a matter of weeks. Yes, it's safe on glass, black plastic trim, and chrome, and headlights. Okay, so to keep it from drying and maximizing dwell time, simply spray a light mist of your pressure washer water over the surface and patiently wait for the minute to pass. I have a little sunlight on the window on this side, so I'm spending more time here keeping it wet.
One day later.
Start rinsing from top to bottom, starting with the windshield, mirrors, and moving my way down the hood to the front bumper. I will speed this up and get us to the bug removing action. You will see that the pressure washer does a great job of removing most, if not all, of the bug guts alone, even from a distance. I will gradually bring the pressure washer in closer to the bumper with the tougher bug guts, so you can see that with a slight increase in pressure, you'll get better results. This is safe to do when using a max 1900 PSI pressure washer with the white 40-degree wide nozzle attachment. If your car has a ceramic coating though, or you get to them within a short time period, the bugs will likely wash off effortlessly with this cleaner and just a pressure washer alone. The vehicle we're working on today doesn't have any protection, and the bugs were really baked on. It's been neglected. So while most of them came off easily with just a pressure washer, there are still some stubborn spots left. So let me show you what to do in this situation next. If you're new to car maintenance or detailing, you'll want to know if your tap water has hard water, especially in places like Florida. Hard water can leave ugly spots if it dries on your paint. I learned that the hard way. A quick, affordable way to check is with a TDS meter, which measures dissolved solids. You'll want a reading close to 0 ppm. I'll link the one I use specifically below in the description. Personally, I don't worry about water spots anymore though, because I use a CR spotless filtration system. It removes minerals and helps protect your paint. They'll also be linked below. You'll want a basic form of wash media like a wash mitt like this, which comes with the bug scrubber attached, or what I like to use, a high quality and effective Jersey bug scrubber by the Rag Company, which I pair with the high quality edgeless 300 GSM microfiber towel, which we will use here, starting with the towel to hand wash the vehicle first to remove any remainder dirt and grime safely from the surface before any further agitation with the bug scrubber is introduced. This will reduce chances of scratching and damaging the paint. I use P&S Absolute Rinseless Wash, but use whatever high quality soap and method you want for this step. Paired with a high quality rinseless wash, this Jersey bug scrubber makes bug removal a breeze without harming your car's finish. If you stay on top of car paint maintenance and have quality protection installed, you likely don't even need the bug removal chemical at all. But this is an example for neglected cars. Feel free to also use a soft boar hairs detailing brush to get into the cracks and crevices of the grill as well. And make sure to properly dry your car at the end and check your results. If you found this video helpful and you now feel confident in how to remove bugs from a car, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any more simple, straightforward car detailing how-to videos. I'm Alan. Thanks for watching and have a great day.